There he is, Mr. Pileated Woodpecker, just a gobbling away on the suet.
More clouds and sun late into the day, maybe a spotty shower, but conditions on the lake looking pretty good.
All right, nice boat graphic there. That's perfect. All right, thank you, Sam. Now turning back to our local headlines this evening. It's National Police Week, which recognizes law enforcement officers for their service and sacrifice in communities around the country. We caught up with a lieutenant with the Duluth Police Department who says an important part of the week is for local law enforcement to come together and recognize those who lost their lives in the line of duty while protecting our communities.
I know as soon as I stop recording, he'll do something really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Through some of these calls that we go on, so that we do make it home to our loved ones and are able there to serve our community and people who are in need.
An event is being held this Thursday for local police departments, the social justice systems, and the community.
Does it have the red mustache?
Duluth also is lighting
I don't know.
Okay, you wouldn't. Maybe we can see it when you're done videoing and we blow it up.
I'm sure glad I don't have to hang on to a cage and hang upside down to eat my supper.
To honor military members lost in the line of duty. The goal is to plant 5,000 flags in cemeteries.
There he dropped on the ground and I got him.
And giving tribute to the people who helped us get here is very important, I believe. You have people come up and say thanks for your service, but to really see the community put some actions behind those words was really overwhelming.
So cool.
And it was really just a great experience last year.
Oh, there he went.